Hey fam, welcome to Speedology Garage. Today last you're gonna see of this right here, the Z51 wing. We're gonna switch it out with the tall wing. Gonna get it installed at the dealer, and yeah, I'll see you all over there later. All right, y'all. Well, I'm at the dealership going to get the wing, tall wing. We'll see how it looks. Show you in a minute. All right, y'all. Here it is. This is the tall wing on my 2020 Corvette. Just got it installed at the dealership. I couldn't get it installed when the car arrived at the first dealership in San Jose because I had to order it separately. So it actually came to my house at a different time. But I like it. You know, the Z51 wing was cool, but you know, I think this is it off. Oh. I don't know why my camera did that. To excuse the video quality, I'm filming from my Galaxy S10. You know, I'm just started, so I don't have any fancy equipment, you know, but this will do it for now. But yeah, basically the story is with the wing, it was originally you could order it with the car, but then there was some kind of dispute between GM and the vendor they used for the wing. So people who had it ordered, they actually didn't get the car with it. They just put it with the Z51 wing if you had that package. So I had to actually order it from the dealer, who for some reason was stockpiling them out in Gaithersburg, Maryland. You know, and it wasn't cheap, but I mean, it was the same price. It's just I couldn't finance it with the car, so it was like $995 plus $250 shipping. And instead of having it, what do you call it, LPO or PDI or whatever, PDI install, which would have been free, I had to pay the dealership to actually do it, which was $359.95 to be exact. But you know, it's all good because you know, I wasn't gonna roll without the wing. All right, so yeah, just wanted to show you all that. I'm out later.